In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve browser isn't supported when you're trying to watch Netflix movies. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if your browser can't support Netflix account, then it means that maybe you're using an outdated version of the browser and you need to go ahead and update it, or your browser does not support HTML5 and therefore it is unable to run this Netflix program. So if we go to Netflix Help Center on the official Netflix website and go to Help Center here, you can see we have an option here under Fix a Problem. Under Problem Watching, we have this problem browser isn't supported. So if you click on it, you can see we have quite a number of issues that might be causing this. In one of these, we are told if Netflix brought you to this article instead of playing TV show or movie, it means your browser does not support playing Netflix videos. You have to note that Netflix entered support for Silverlight on September 13th, the year 2023. So to keep watching Netflix, you need to update your browser to a version that supports at least HTML5. And some of the browsers are here: Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, Mozilla, and Opera. So to find out if your browser will work, you can read the system requirements for each. You can see here, these are the browsers supported, and you can update your browser to make sure that you have the latest version. So for the systems that support Enter Windows, these are the minimum requirement versions and the maximum video resolution for each for Microsoft Edge, Chrome, Firefox, and Opera. We also have for Macs, here the requirements, and also for iPads, Metacast, and Linux. So that's how you can solve this problem. And once you have updated your browser, or you have the right browser, then you should be able to watch your movies and TV shows on Netflix. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.